How to replace the battery on a 21 Toyota RAV4. First step is installing the memory saver in your OBD2 port. If you don't have this, don't stress about it. First steps first is we're going to remove the negative battery cable first. We're using a 10mm socket to remove this nut right here that holds down the clamp. Once you loosen that up, you can remove that out of the way. Then we're going to go to the positive side. These two little clips, you press them in together, you pop this out, and you have your positive side here with the 10mm socket. I remove this nut. Oop. It was actually easier to do it with the ratchet, so we're going to just loosen it up. Now that it's loose, it's wiggling back and forth, you can remove the positive side cable. And underneath that cable, there's going to be a hold down. That's a 12mm bolt right in there. We're going to be removing it with a 12mm socket with the long extension. And now that that clamp is loose, we can go ahead and remove it. And now the battery is free and can be removed. You just have to pick it up just like this, and it slides out. Okay, the new battery is going to sit down and then back. So the new battery is in position. You're then going to put that clip back in. Okay, so we're going to put the clamp back in. A little bit difficult. You got to maneuver it sometimes and play with it. But you put it in, and then you tighten it down with the 12mm. We're going to start off with installing the positive side first. You get your 10mm, and you tighten it down. Make sure that the cable is all the way flush with the post. Once that's tight, you put the connector cover back on, and then you put on the negative side. Just put it in, slide it down, make sure it's flush, and then you tighten it down with your 10mm. Make sure that that's nice and tight, and you're done.